How to apply for a Choose Freedom credit card online. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Choose Freedom credit card and search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, Choose Freedom. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now at the top left, you're going to find three bars. Click on it. Then navigate to the option of credit cards. Here you're going to find different options: personal credit card, business credit card. Select the credit card option for which you want to apply. With that, you'll be directed to the credit card page. Now here you're going to find the credit card option. Select the credit card that you want to apply for. You're going to find all the details of it as well. Just click on it. Choose Freedom Unlimited, Choose Freedom Flex. I'm going to select this one, Choose Freedom Unlimited. Click on Apply Now. You will be directed to the application page. Likewise, here you're going to find all the details of your credit card. Just go through it, then scroll down and then fill this. Type in your first name, middle name, last name, suffix. Likewise, provider identification that includes date of birth, mother name, tax ID type, social security number, home address, then contact info. After you fill all these, you can check all the details and submit your application. Once your application is approved, you will get the access to the credit card. So this is how you can easily apply for the Choose Freedom credit card online. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.